I'm KSL meteorologist Kevin Eubank. Would you like to know what the weather's going to be like on your important day? Whether it's a week away, a month away, or several months away, brideaccess.com has the exclusive KSL wedding weather planner.
Weddings from around the world are truly amazing. But did you know that brides and grooms from near and far look to Utah and the Utah wedding professionals to have their wedding right here? We asked Jackie Reel of Real Events to share 3 different weddings with Bride Access about how to have your own destination type wedding right here in your own backyard.
I am so lucky to be here at the St. Regis Deer Valley today at this beautiful location for weddings and events. I want to talk to you today a little bit about how gorgeous Utah is and how lucky we are to be here in this state and have so many gorgeous venues and fabulous places to have wonderful weddings. One place I always enjoy having a wedding is Stein Eriksen up here in Park City. We had a great wedding at Stein Eriksen with Lauren and Mark, and they had a beautiful, beautiful fall wedding. The nice thing about Utah is that it can change colors and does change colors throughout the year. Fall is a gorgeous, gorgeous time of the year to have a wedding up here in Park City. It shows all of the colors of the trees. You get a lot of green in the background, and you still have the availability of seeing the ski runs and the wonderful lodges that are included in so many of the resorts up here. Stein Eriksen provided us a great backdrop for this event. We actually started out on one of the decks for the ceremony, and all of the guests went out and had a great cocktail hour before, which is a little different. Then we went into the ceremony where they had the hills and the mountains and the ski runs as their backdrop for their ceremony pictures. Then we moved into the ballroom for dinner. We actually split the ballroom in half, which was kind of fun. And from there, after dinner, we moved into the second half of the ballroom for an ultra lounge and dancing, where we brought in a band to where everybody could just dance the night away. So Stein Eriksen is a great place, and thank you so much to Lauren and Mark for sharing their wedding with us.
Thank you, Jackie. We will be featuring another one of Jackie's weddings from Real Events later in the show.